Hello there. This is Elle and my buddy who's right here, Near.
Hello.
We will be having a toy fight on his behalf.
Toy fights are awesome.
Get ready. Here we go.
Yep. I'm good.
You ready for this?
Yeah, bring it!
Until Momzilla comes in! We have no idea who that was.
I caught it! You're out of go here.
Eat it, Kida. Eat Kida!
No! You hear me, YouTube? This is where I go.
It's not going on YouTube. And this is now my turn.
Dang it!
And this is what happens when you try to defeat Elle.
Shield!
You still haven't learned your weapon!
I don't give up!
Well, too bad!
I'm gonna beat you down with your own weapon! Oh no,
And more Kida!
I'm gonna fall over.
I don't know where he went. There you are! Ow!
I have the cure now.
Uh-oh.
It's scary. Scary Kira. Scary puppet. No!
Please clean up your mouth.
I'll take a teddy bear and throw it. Help me! Save me! Save her! Save Elle right now! Let her do what he needs to!
Naito, help me!
That's a hand stone!
Yeah, I know, but who said I was fair?
I missed!
I won't miss again.
Oh, you're right.
Well, this is basically the end of our toy fight. We hope you enjoyed it.
That's the end.
We hope you enjoyed beating each other up.
Mostly.
Mostly. Bye-bye now.
Beat, beat, beat.
Bye-bye.